Hi there, welcome to the channel. It's Biba here, and today I'm walking you through how you can restart or power wash your Chromebook. Some few tips to note. Remember, this operation will wipe off everything stored on your device, and I also advise you connect to a power source if your battery is less than 60%. Now, with that said and done, let's get right in. So click on the notification area where you see the time, and it will open a sub menu. You move up, then click on settings. Now move to the left side, advanced. Scroll down to reset settings. And then power wash. Remove all user accounts and reset your Google Chrome device to be just like new. So like I said before, this operation will wipe off everything stored on your device, including your Google accounts. So be sure to do a necessary backup if you wish to before continue. Now with that said, you click on restart. So click on restart, and then it goes off to come back on. So here it comes again. Reset this Chromebook. Power wash to reset your Chromebook just to be like new. All user accounts and local data will be removed. Click on power wash. Complete the process. Continue. There you have it. So now you're done with the reset power washing process. Thanks for watching. Give this video a like if you find it helpful, and then subscribe to this channel for more updates. See you in the next one.